Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So in this video we are going to be doing some textures and fixing up some stuff with the 3D. To begin with, there are the eyebrows that I just fixed. I forgot to click on the record button. Not really fixed, I did the eyebrows. So the eyebrow. Actually I forgot to do weighted normals. Yeah, this is better. I will apply it and call it a day. Yeah, there are two rigs because of the way it works, and also I ended up redoing something. So for today we'll focus on doing textures and some painting, of course. Also hair, which is one of the tricky parts right now. I haven't tried hair yet on characters, so that one I'll try to do it as well. I hope you guys will enjoy it. So, after a little bit of modeling and painting the texture, like you can see here on the scarf, I decided to export the character in Unreal Engine to try and see what we have so far. And this is what we have here. So, before it was like this, now it's like this. I also applied the subdivision surface modifier. So the character is much more smooth. We don't see those hard edges anymore. The ear is also a little bit nicer to look at. Now the character has eyebrows, a hairline, and we can play the character. Let's go. Slowly but surely it's going. Right, I did a couple of improvement on the character, and now this is what we have. As we will see shortly, I also added this thing here from the design, if I can find it. Let's see. Yeah. So remember in the design, at the back we had this thing. I added that one as well. I still need to add this one. I also added this part. So some things still need to be added here and there. And overall, this is what we have. So the character can run. Now the belt, like you can see, it doesn't move in a jiggly way like previously. It moved too much, which is not good. Something that I really need to improve is the fabric on the back. I think I have to make it more like a cloth simulation, either cloth simulation or at least a shader that makes it move slightly. Right now it's fixed, it doesn't feel natural. Apart from that, it's not too bad. I think for the character, let's go to the character itself and check this. I did add a small change just to the eyes. Come on, okay. Yeah, slightly better, because previously it was too wide open. The character was like, what's happening here? Yeah, this is much better. It doesn't look too scary anymore. Still though, I think the pupil, either the eye itself with the white part needs to disappear a little bit. It's visible from the top part. The character looks like he's a little bit he's lost it a bit. We'll improve that in the next video, as well as some other stuff like I mentioned, the fabric and probably hair. Not probably, the hair needs to be improved as well, because right now it looks meh. It doesn't have proper roughness, it doesn't have proper material. You can see it's just a stack of chocolate bars. So this needs to be better. The eyes as well, I think the eyes can improve a bit more. It's already much better than this, or even this. Yeah, this result we have here is starting to look nicer. I added this, some small element here and there, these elements. Oh yeah, this part you can see here, it's not exactly one-to-one, so that one I can also change it or improve it, which is what I will be doing in the next video. I hope you guys like this one. If so, leave a like, and until then, cheers!